Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water filter in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator water filter. The water filter is located on the inside of the left refrigerator door behind the cover. It filters out unwanted particles and minerals from the water. To know how often you have to replace the water filter, please refer to your owner's manual. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. The filter is located behind this panel. To open it, we need to push right here at the bottom. Then we can lift up the door and gonna lift up on the filter, rotate it, and then pull. If you're not gonna rotate the filter up far enough, you won't be able to pull it out. This is the old water filter next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So here we have a new filter. I would like you to check before you install that we have both O-rings on. Also, this is the front. If you turn it around, it says back. So guess what? Back means it goes in this way. So we're going to lift up on the door and insert the filter into the base. Push it in and push it down to rotate it in. It will lock automatically. Then we can close the cover. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.